Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Mr. Dees and I'm a guitar player and a sound engineer. Exciting news, I just got in the mail today and I got a preview of an amazing pedal that all the pros have been using for years. And the funny part is every time they are doing like the rig rundown or pros or people that actually know this stuff are showing their gears, they never show this one. And it's been an industry secret for ages, for years, dating back to early days of the guitar, the vintage guitar days, and when they have these amazing pedals and amps and great tones that they don't make them anymore that way. This pedal has been on everybody's pedal board. Talking about John Mayer, Pat Metheny, Eric Clapton, all these amazing players. Even B.B. King had one. So it's really sad to see how many musicians, great guitar players, has kept this pedal really secret for all these years, and we don't know anything about it. And it's I'm glad I have one. The pedal name is Prac 1. I'm not sure if you can see it right here, and it says vintage here. Now, how does this work? It's the simplest pedal ever to use. All you have to do is plug your guitar in through this vintage quarter-inch jack. Plug your guitar in and plug in headphone, or just plug your guitar to an amp. Now pick a song that you want to learn, download a tab, put all those together and learn that song. Or you can just go online and look for skills and learn new skills or learn new styles, or go on YouTube and look for all these amazing resources and learn that part, but then play through this pedal. Once you play through the pedal, I promise you, you will be one of the most amazing guitar players ever. I've tried it, it's been working for me. My skills and chops have improved over the year. My accuracy and timing has improved over the year. And another thing that you need to do is make sure you have a metronome. You don't have to buy that. You can just download an app on your phone and you get a metronome and you can use it. Now, this pedal can be any pedal you have at home. Just make sure it's a pedal that has a quarter-inch input, and all you need is a sticky printer like this, printer or a sticky note, or just a sticky note at home. Just write Prac 1 pedal, and automatically that pedal becomes a Prac 1 pedal, and it's cheap. We can use any pedal that you already have at home to make these modes to your pedal, and you'd be an amazing guitar player. It's been working for me, and yeah, I hope it works for you too. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. And in case you just want to pay for the pedal, just want me to make one specially for you, there's a link in the description. You can, send me some money. There's no limit to how much money you can send to me. Send me that money, and I promise I'll ship you one of my Prac 1 Vintage Limited Edition Pro Package pedal. It's a game changer, and I think you should own one. Thank you. Peace.